Alright, so for today's video, playing with Doc Ryan. So we've decided we'll play those stroke play. Very friendly wager. We're just playing for lunch. No? I think garlic chicken lang yung pagpupustahan namin later. Plus 12 ba siya or plus 13 siya sa akin sa stroke play. So yeah, so like, comment, and subscribe who you think would win. Okay. And left with 180 yards to the flag. Landed on the other fairway. So hitting a 8 iron, matalbog naman. Sarap lang. Left with 80 yards to the flag. Mga tirang 65. Alright, so okay, the handicap of Doc Ryan is 21. I'm currently at 9, so plus 12 siya sa aming friendly match. Tapos ito ang challenge, first time ni Warren magkading. Hindi ka naman, shoutout kay Warren. Okay, so currently I'm even par. Si Doc Ryan bogeyed the first hole. Start, bite. Ganda, Doc. Good shot, good shot.
Playing par ka, no?
Ikaw ba?
Oo, playing par. Wala bang tayo dito? Natin yan.
That's good. Good putt. Okay, bogey. Alright, so currently Doc Ryan is 2 over. Ako 1 over. Gross. Tapos playing hole number 3. Playing 180 yards. Hitting a 7 iron. Nice shot.
Oh my God.
Nice shot, sir.
Nagdodraw? Putting for birdie. Doc Ryan is putting for his double bogey. Okay, so for birdie, left to right. Tingin ko left to right. Tingin ni Warren right to left. Magsisisihan na lang kami mamaya. Pero tingin ko kaliwa dahil sa damo. Parang 1 cup sa left. Okay, we'll see.
Mahina, Luigi.
Ayun, left to right ano? Kalahating bola siguro sa left. Uphill against the green. Nice putt, Doc.
Nice shot, sir.
Okay, currently Doc Ryan is 5 over total. Ako naman, I'm currently 1 over. So playing hole number 4, 324 yards, dog leg left. Hitting a hybrid.
Keep it. Nice shot, sir.
Naku, kick right. Balik mo. Safe yan. Tawid. Lusot yan. That was a good tee shot. I'm left with 72 yards to the flag. Hitting a sobrang talbog. So hitting 60 degrees, tas tirang 50.
Ay, lakas. Tama na. Laki ng tinalbog.
Doc Ryan's bogey. Playing 5. Nahihina. Doc Ryan putting for his double bogey. I'm putting for birdie. Left to right, 9 paces. Parang regular lang. Paakyat, tapos pababa. I'm giving it more than a grip. We'll see.
Ay, sakto,
Sakto lang, sir. Nice. Birdie, sir. Nice shot, sir.
Grabe yun eh. Na-shoot? Akala ko malakas.
Okay, hole number 5. Playing mga 115 yards siguro to. Might hit a 50 degree wedge.
Bite.
Diba? Babite yan. Hindi, babite yan. I am just off the green. Sumobra. Ganda ng tama. I thought it was against the wind. So I have this for birdie. Doc Ryan is already putting for birdie. This looks like it's left to right. Slightly uphill. Using a pitching wedge to bump and run.
Naku, lakas Luigi. Ang lakas.
One time, baby! Birdie! Ah! Good putt, Doc. That's good. 4 paces. Right to left. And half grip siguro. Uphill.
Nice shot, sir.
Okay, malalaki. Lucky putt. Okay, so I'm still even par. Doc Ryan is 8 over. Hole number 6, playing 343 yards. I will try to draw a 3-wood.
Alright! Ito, nagsisave ko na oh. Oo nga.
Okay, Doc Ryan, second shot. Going for the green. Mukhang patong to. Ay, right. Hindi ko nakita. Left with 31 yards. 30 yards to the flag. Mukhang a little left to right. I'll try to nip a 60 degree wedge.
Yun.
For birdie. Malakas lang. Teach me, teach me. Okay, Dr. Dalman for par.
Hati-hati po, sir.
Hati-hati daw sa kanan.
Break. Wow.
Oh, halos di bumali. That's good, that's good.
Ay, kulang pa. 1 cup nga. That's good. Thank you. Sayang. Hindi ang aking reds. 1 cup pa.
Doc Ryan still currently 3 under. I'm at even par. Playing the 7th hole, which is ang napakagandang caddy. Hello, shout out. Ayan.
Napakaganda flexing caddy and dulo.
Ayun. Ito. Hanapin nyo. Okay, hole number 7. Dog leg right. Wag na natin subukan pa fade. Let's just play a regular 6 iron. Ganda, gitna.
Kiglip.
Alright!
Nice shot. Okay po, safe.
Okay, left with may get 120 yards. Need to take my medicine. Try to punch fade it. Kung kaya.
Ay, tumama.
At least mag fairway pa rin.
Doc Ryan left with 130 to the flag. Ganda, Doc. Kanan lang. Olympian. Pang Olympics.
Nakakailang na ano eh. Pag-carry nga ng green.
Green, oh. Dito talaga short mo rin talaga. Tapos dito dapat left. Kasi pa right yung kick ng bola dyan. Left with 83 yards to the flag. Tirang mga 70 sa left. This is to go up and down for a par.
Go.
Ay, go! Ay, masyado naman. Olympian pento? Oo. Happy ako dun.
Doc Ryan for his birdie from the outside. Ganda. Good shot, Doc. Okay. I have this for par left to right. 12 yards.
Huwag mong gawin sa akin. Huwag mong gawin sa akin.
Bogey. 3 under. Good putt, Doc. Lamig. Alright, hole number 8. Currently, Doc Ryan is still 3 under. I am 1 over. The hole number 8 is playing 132 yards to the flag. Hitting a pitching wedge. You know? Pero naging fade. Okay, good shot.
Ako, sobra yata. Bye.
Oops. Sakto lang, sir.
Ito lang pala.
Okay, Doc Ryan for his birdie. Nice shot, Doc. I have this birdie putt. Parang maliit lang sa kanan. Parang pwedeng right inside. Okay, let's see.
Never a doubt.
Ay.
Tama ako, left to right.
Doc Ryan to stay 3 under. Still. Nice spot. Okay. 3 under pa rin. 5 strokes. Ang kailangan kong habulin.
Hole 9 pa, diba?
Yes, sir.
Di ba pwede pa pag nakaisa pa ako dito, 6.
Oo, sakto.
Balik lang.
Sakto. Sakto talaga yung handicap. Lalabas at lalabas.
So kahit hindi ko mahabol, kahit 5 lang.
Sakto lang.
Pa rin, sakto pa rin.
Oo. Hole number 9, 511 yards.
Ikaw rin pa rin mag-hydrate
Hitting a 4 iron. Currently, si Doc Ryan is 3 under. Ako, I'm currently 2 over.
Kumakanan na, Luis.
Ako kumaka.
Alright! Whoa!
Good thing, hindi umabot sa bunker. Muntik na chunk. Okay, hitting a hybrid, malayo pa to. So hopefully, fairway finder lang.
Naku, bukas! For right!
Nice shot.
What a terrible second shot. Went to the second hole, sobrang open. So I'm still left with 110 yards to the flag. Slightly against the fan. Hitting a 56-degree wedge. Okay.
Tumama sa puno, sir. Ayun po.
Bumalik?
Sa may baba.
Sa harap?
Opo.
Tumama sa puno. Buti na lang, muntik na umabot sa hazard. Yan. Okay, 40 yards to the flag. Yung kahit sa gilid mo na lang.
Ay, ang lambot pala nun.
20 yards to the flag to go up and down for a bogey. Okay. Ako I'm putting na for bogey. So,
Luis, pang Olympics to. Panoorin mo.
sige. 100 pesos. Bakwa nga. Okay na yan, Doc? Okay. I have this spot for bogey, right to left. Mga kalahating grip.
Nice shot, sir.
Yun, clutch.
Start of the back 9. Doc Ryan still 3 under. Yan.
All square tayo.
All square. Oo. So, meron pa siyang additional 6 strokes. So, hole number 10. It's playing, siguro mga 130 siguro to.
Ay, tukoy.
Hindi, para napakat.
Oh! Nice! What a kick! Uy! 35,000! Sayang!
Okay. Doc Ryan, second shot. Maganda. Okay lang, at least patong. Good shot, Doc. He landed on the green for his par. Doc Ryan for his par. Ako yung putting for birdie. It looks like uphill, right to left. Mga isang cup siguro. Na firm.
Break.
Nice par! Ay, sayang.
Oh my God!
May hita sa bola. So currently, I am 2 over. Tapos si Doc Ryan is 2 under. Okay. 2 shot swing. Ah, nga kasi birdie bogey. Okay, hole number 11. Against the wind. Sige, go. Go for it. I will hit a driver. Bahala na si Weng. Bumalik na si Wonder Woman. Kasama niya si Batman.
Na-traffic.
Na-traffic si Wonder Woman. Go ahead, Doc.
Sumobra ulit. Sumobra ulit yung gano'n. Sarap pa. Hala!
Nice shot. Slice pa rin. Nagfe-fade pa rin. 70 yards to the flag. Looks like it's right to left. Tirang mga 60 siguro.
Nagpas pa rin. Bilis.
Okay, Doc Ryan for his par. Parehas kaming putting par. Parang malakas.
Beauty. It's a beauty!
Ay, sayang. That's good. Good putt. Galing na short game.
Thank you very much.
Okay, I have this putt for par.
Ang lakas na lang.
Right to left. Halos isang grip to the right.
Ikaw ay playing.
Putting par din.
Nice shot.
I'm currently 3 over. Si Doc Ryan is still 1 under. Hole number 12 is playing 135 yards. Left to right yung wind.
Playing ano?
135.
Yun, bumalik.
At least fairway.
Nakita mo yun?
Draw.
Bro! Ay, hinangin pa kanan.
Cute lang.
Doc Ryan second shot went over the green. So I have this for my birdie to go up and down for a par. Left to right.
Bump and roll.
Good decision.
Okay, Doc Ryan to stay 1 under for his par. Mahina lang. We have this par putt. Diretso na naman yun, ano. Parang pwedeng left center. Currently, so sa stroke play namin ni Doc Ryan, hole number 13, he is still leading, even par. Ako, I am currently 3 over. So hole 13 is playing 489 yards. And nandito na si Wengder Woman. Taga-basa ko. Tsaka taga-caddy. Ganda, Doc. Nag-bleed lang ng konti to the right.
Yan, bumalik.
Okay. Oh, okay lang. Buti na nga eh. Okay. May 140 yards. Laying up lang. Okay, left with 140 yards to the flag for my third shot. Hitting a pitching wedge. Right. Tama nga lang yung pitching, ano? Kaliwa lang. Okay, left to right. Halos half putter siguro to ang aking tansya. Pare-pares kaming nire-revalida ni Weng kung tama rin ang hula ko. Pero mabilis. To go up and down for my birdie. Ay, for par pala. Ito si Doc Ryan is putting for... Hindi ko pa alam. Doc, putting ano dito? Putting ano ka na dyan? Bogey? Par? Putting bogey na. Bogey. Ay, kulang pa. I have this putt for par. Okay na. Thank you. Okay. Binigay na ni Doc. I'm in for par. Doc is for bogey. Practicing ko na. Uy! That's good, that's good. Okay, hole number 14. One stroke na lang hinahabol ko kay Doc Ryan, 510 yards. So currently Doc Ryan is 2 over. I am currently... Ay! 2 over ka, 3 over ako. Okay. Ganda, gitna. Perfect!
Nice shot!
Ganda niyan, Doc. Paglaki ko, gusto ko gano'n. That was a good drive. I'm just making this a 3-shot hole, aiming for that right of that crane, 130.
Yes, sir.
Okay, left with 100 yards to the flag. Aim a little right, so edge of that bunker. 100 yards, hitting a full 60-degree wedge. Okay lang ba yung Wengder Woman?
Tanda mo na, kanan
Ano
yan.
pangalan ng partner mo?
Batman.
Aiming right, si Bat. Right off the bunker. Kaliwa ng bunker, sabi ko.
Oh.
Edge ng bunker.
Ako, bite. Ang galing.
Eagle. So I have this birdie putt. The grain is right to left. Slope is left to right. So we're giving it left inside. Firm pocket. For birdie.
Sakto lang, sir.
Umabot! Yes! Birdie! Akala ko mahina. Akala ko mahina. Marami ka na pocket eh. That's good, Doc. Alright, playing hole number 15. I am now leading. Currently, Doc Ryan is 4 over. I am currently 2 over. Okay. Hole 15 is 442 yards.
Ay, masyado pa rin kanan.
Nice shot.
Ganda, Doc. Hindi lang nag-draw. Pagsak pa naman. Huwag lang pumasok.
Yan ang nahanap ni Warren. Sumama sa puno. Tirang
60, 70.
60 lang, sir.
Ay, huwag ka dyan! Hoy! 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 Okay.
I'm left with 100. Tama ba? 170? Oh, 170. Hitting a, since it's downwind, uphill, hitting an 8 iron.
Naku, parang tama ka, Wena. Sobrang ata. 9 nga.
Tabi tayo eh.
Ang ganda ng
Pag minamalas ka nga naman, no? Saktong-sakto yung puno. Saktong-sakto yung puno sa linya. So, I will experiment and try to punch draw. Tingnan natin if I can draw around the tree. Ay, sorry. Ay, Doc Ryan. I am putting for bogey. Minalas na puno. I think this is... Okay.
That's good, that's good. Uy, laki ng binali. Uy, tama na. Uy, hindi ko mapibigay. Sobrang firm naman.
So hole number 16, playing mga 115 yards siguro to.
Ay, napul.
Okay, hole in one. Kiklip mo.
Ay, putting for birdie. Left to right. Malaki to Wena eh, diba?
So, yung kanan lang na madumi-dumi.
Sa loob nun. Okay. Okay, Doc Ryan for par. To force me to make mine. Ganda! Good putt, good putt. Okay, to get a 2-stroke lead. Hati-hati sa kanan, Wena, pwede, no?
Inside na lang yan.
Right inside na. Firm.
Firm mo.
Alright, hole number 17. Currently, I have a 2-stroke lead. Hole number 17 is playing 158 yards. Most likely hitting an 8 iron. Behind lang ng konti. Tama na. Tama na. Beside the bunker.
Kick right.
Kick right naman yan, pero wala kang abot ko.
Ay! Sumobra.
Okay, Doc Ryan, second shot. Ganda naman. Ang ganda yon. Good shot, good try. 19 yards. Di ba malaki yan? Ayun nga, yun nga, yung down eh. Okay. Pababa dun, mabilis dun eh, di ba?
Doon lang, pababa.
Kung 19 yards, mga palong 12. Okay, mabilis.
Ako malakas, Luigi. Ano ka ba? Ang lakas.
Tama na.
Ang linis ng kuha.
Doc Ryan for par. Okay, that's good, that's good.
Wala sa
Okay, bogey din. This is for my bogey. Hati-hati.
Sa loob ng baon na bilay.
Halos kalahating bola pa. Na firm. Okay.
Uy! Sa dulo mo kali.
It's a tight match. 12 strokes. So currently, lamang na lang ako ng 1 stroke kay Doc. Okay, last hole. We'll see. Ateneo versus Lasal. Okay, last hole. Force layup. Hole 18. Maganda, maganda. Okay, good shot, Doc.
Score!
Ito na. Parehas kami ni Doc Ryan. Playing 230 yards pa to the flag. Downwind. Hitting a 4 iron.
Naku, ramdam kong nakabit ko.
There's a slight opening for Doc Ryan. Grabe. Pulled my second shot. Stinger, maganda. Gitnang-gitna. Okay, okay. Gitnang-gitna. Nice shot. Good shot, good shot. Ito na! Gumanda yung laban. Nag-choke. Okay, let's see. Basta may friendly wager lang naman kami ni Doc Ryan. Garlic chicken. Garlic chicken. Whole garlic chicken ba yan?
Baka magka-side wager na extra rice.
Yan. Sige. Game. Okay, left with 130 yards to the flag. Downwind. Come on, Luigi. What are you made of? Hitting a 50-degree wedge.
Take right.
Alam ko nang kakaliwa eh.
Bunker, sir.
Okay, Doc Ryan's third shot. Mabitin. Mahina. Ito na! Trisel, sabi mo battle of the short game. Ay. Ano kaya yun?
Ano ba tayo?
Parehong par. Chipping for par tayo pares. Pero ako sa bunker. Come on, Luigi. Landed on the bunker. No green to work with. Okay. What are you made of? Up and down for a bogey. Woo! Kailangan ko ito idikit. Malapit one shot. Woo!
Bye.
Good shot, Doc. Okay na, that's good. So you're in for bogey. So I need to hold this to win. Tama. I need to hold this to win. If not, 2-putt tie. Hati tayo sa babayaran sa manok. Okay, I have this putt to win. Okay, 1. Side hill pa. Downhill. Dun sa may dumitingin ko ngayon eh. Feeling ko kulang yan. Yung damo pa kaliwa eh. Sige, sa akin ang sisi kung sakali. Tingin ko dun sa dahon na yun eh. Good round. Grabe habol ni Doc Ryan. We tied. All square. Okay, good round, Doc.
Mas okay. Swak na swak.
Pares kami.
Babasahin ko siya ulit. Tapos pasend.
Nice shot.